Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Vandeham Sri Guru Sri Juta Padakamalam. The Prahlad Maharaj thought it that although he was born in a family, Asura family, Ugra Jata, still if he decides to serve Krishna, Lord Nrsimhadev, with bhakti, following the footprints of Gajajuthapaya, the king of elephant. He was animal. You know the story that he was attacked by a crocodile in the water. So there was struggle for existence between the two, and after all the crocodile is the animal in the water. He had great strength, and the elephant, although he is also very big, powerful animal, but he was not an animal of the water. So he was very helpless. So at last he began to chant the holy name of the Lord and prayed. So he was saved. He was saved, and because the crocodile cut off the leg of the elephant, he was also saved, because he was Vaishnava. And this animal, crocodile, he was under the feet of a Vaishnava, so he was also saved. This is the story you know. So therefore, Chariya Vaishnava Seva, he indirectly gave service to the Vaishnava, and he also became delivered. So bhakti is so nice thing that very easily you can get favor of the Supreme Person. And if Krishna is pleased upon you, then what remains? Everything you get. Everything you get. Jasmin Vijnate Sarvavedam Vijnata Bhavan. Easiest way to please Krishna, you don't require much money, much education, nothing of this sort. Simply you require your heart. Krishna, you are my Lord, you are my Master. Eternally, I am your servant. Eternally, let me be engaged in your service. That is Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Rama. This is the meaning of Hare Krishna mantra. O Krishna, O energy of Krishna, I am your servant. Somehow or other, I have now fallen in this material condition. Kindly pick me up and engage me in service. Oi nanda tanuja patitang kinkaranga mam visame bhavam budho. That is Chaitanya Mahaprabhu teaching us. Bhavam budho. This material world is just like a great ocean. Bhava. Bhava means repetition of birth and death. And Ambu means, Ambudho means the sea, in the ocean. So, we are struggling hard for existence in this ocean. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu says, Ai Nanda Tanuja, Patitang Kinkarangama, I am your servant, eternal. Somehow or other, I have fallen in this ocean and struggling. Pick me up. Ai Nanda Tanuja, Patitang Kinkarangama, Visame Bhavam Buddho, Kripaya, by your causeless mercy, Ai Nanda Tanuja, Patitang Kinkarangama, Visame Bhavam Buddho, Kripaya, Prabhupada Pankajastita Dhuri Sadisang Vichin. This is Bhakti Marga, devotional service, to become very humble, meek, always pray to Krishna, kindly consider me as one of the particle of the dust of the lotus feet of your Lord's feet. This very simple thing, Manmana, in this way, think of Krishna, become his devotee, offer obeisances, and whatever patram, puspam, little flower, water you can provide, offer to Krishna. In this way, lead very peacefully and be happy. Thank you very much.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna